In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello board. Whether you're trying to clear some space, tidy up unused boards, or simply want to start fresh, knowing how to delete a board in Trello can be incredibly useful. While deleting a board might seem a little daunting, it's actually a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account, and you can do this by heading over to Trello.com. Once you're there, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to your Trello homepage. This is where you can view all your active projects and boards. Next, navigate your way to the specific Trello board you wish to delete. This might be a board that's outdated or one that you're sure you won't need in the future. Take a moment to double check that this is indeed the board you want to remove, as this action is permanent. Once you're on the board, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a little icon with 3 dots which indicates more options. Clicking on this will present you with a list of choices, and you'll need to select Close Board from this menu. It's important to note that closing a board is different from deleting it, but it's a necessary step before deletion. After clicking on Close Board, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and click Close. At this point, your board isn't visible among your active boards anymore, but don't worry, it's not fully deleted yet. Once the board is closed, return to your Trello homepage, scroll down, and you'll find an option that says View Closed Boards. Click on this link to view all the boards you've previously closed. This page acts as a sort of recycling bin, where closed boards are temporarily stored before they're permanently deleted. Locate the board you just closed from the list of closed boards. It's a good opportunity to double check once more if you've selected the right board for deletion. When you find it, you'll notice a delete button next to the board name. Click on that and a final confirmation will prompt you to ensure that you indeed want to delete the board. Confirm the deletion, and with that your Trello board will be permanently deleted. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a Trello board. Remember that while it's easy to remove a board, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're absolutely certain before going through with the deletion. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and that you feel more confident managing your Trello boards now. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.